Is your Roku device flashing blue light and not working as expected? Then you are in the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the internet connection. A poor network connection may cause a Roku device to blink a blue light. Hence, continue to check if the network your Roku device is connected to works fine, or just connect your Roku to another network if feasible. Method 2. Fix the device malfunction. The device can also emit blue light due to a faulty connector provided with the cord. You can replace the faulty connector with a new functional one. Once the connector is replaced, test the device to ensure it operates correctly. Method 3. Check the device compatibility. Sometimes due to compatibility issues, you can have these kinds of issues. So connect your Roku device to a different monitor or TV to see if the blue light issue persists. If the problem goes away, it indicates a compatibility issue with your original TV or monitor. In this case, you need to change the monitor or TV. Method 4. Power cycle the device. The next thing you can do is power cycle the Roku streaming device. To do that, turn the device off, then unplug it from the main power source. After a couple of minutes, turn the device on and check. Method 5. Check your HDMI connections. Make sure your video cable is securely connected to the back of your Roku and to the HDMI or composite connector on your TV or monitor. If you have a Roku streaming stick, make sure it's firmly connected to your device's HDMI connector. If you are trying to view 4K content, make sure your Roku is plugged into an HDCP 2.2 compatible HDMI port. You can check your TV or AV receiver's owner's manual for more information. Method 6. Contact Roku support. If none of the methods could resolve the issue, you can contact Roku support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue or provide additional guidance. And there you have it, the ways to fix the issue when your Roku device is flashing blue light and not working as expected. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.